In this video, we'll walk you through the process of activating your card online using cmp.emlpayments.com. Just follow the simple steps below to get your card up and running in no time. Step 1. Visit the activation website. Open your web browser and go to cmp.emlpayments.com. This is the official site where you can easily activate your card. Step 2. Enter your card information. Once on the activation page, you will be prompted to enter some basic information from your card. This typically includes card number, found on the front of your card; expiration date, also on the front of your card; CVV, CVC, the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Step 3. Verify your identity. For security purposes, you will be asked to verify your identity. This may include your personal details such as name, address, and phone number, a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 4. Set up your PIN, optional. Depending on your card type, you may be asked to set up a PIN code for added security during transactions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once all your information is entered, you will be asked to confirm the details. Double-check that everything is correct before proceeding. Step 6. Complete the process. Click on the Activate button. You will see a confirmation message once your card has been successfully activated. Step 7. Start using your card. Your card is now activated. You can start using it for purchases, online transactions, and more. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, ensure your card information is entered correctly. If activation fails, contact customer support for assistance. And that's it. You're all set to use your card. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.